Hazrat Rafi bin Khadij radiyallahu anhu says, we were in the company of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam at Zul Hulaifa. When the people had to face starvation, we got camels and goats as spoils, and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was along with the contingent coming behind. So the people hastened, slaughtered some animals, and put the casseroles on the fire. When the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam reached there, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam issued orders to upset the casseroles. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then apportioned the spoils, equalizing one camel to 10 goats. Then one of the camels fled away. The people had less horses to catch it, so it humbled them. Thereupon a man shot an arrow at it, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu halted it. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, among these quadrupeds there are some that flee away as the wild animals do. So whenever an animal flees away, treat it in the same way. The reporter says that his grandfather submitted, we expect or fear that when tomorrow we will encounter with the enemy, we may not have any knife. So can we slaughter with the bamboo wood? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, use whatever causes the blood to flow, and Allah's name has been mentioned on it. Eat it. As for teeth and nail, I tell you that the tooth is a bone, whereas a nail is the knife of the Ethiopians. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5498.